old wheel, new wheel. What's up guys? So today I have the tools for rolling my fenders. I have my heat gun and my rubber mallet. And take the wheel off and start hammering up here and then trying to pull it out. So I'm going to heat up this edge to keep the paint from chipping, and after I do that I'm going to hammer to take up the lip first, and then that's the roll. So I'm going to roll the lip under, then I'm going to hammer inside to pull it out. So that's a roll and pull. Alright, as you can see, that's outside, and it starts to roll right up in there. Get it over here. It's really pretty flat. I can only get the light up here. Can get just a little bit more, about that much more, and it'll be completely flush. Comes all the way around. And heating it up, this kept the edge. This is something that was already there. This kept the edge from cracking. I'll work a little bit more on the roll, but then you have to pull it out. That's going to be a pain. I got tired of using the rubber mallet, so I broke out the metal one, and in doing so chipped it all up. So if you're not pulling, you're just rolling, I'd say rubber mallet's okay after heating. I'm gonna end up getting this probably sanded down and primer it, because I have this little rust spot down here that I need to clean up anyway, so I'm not too worried, and I could always go over fenders. But that's currently how far it's sticking out now. About halfway, I guess. All right, let's keep on hammering. Well, it's getting there slowly. Bit more to go. Not too far off. It is a bit ripply because I'm using the metal hammer, but as long as I can get it on there, I don't mind. All right, let's get some more. All right, this is with it all the way down. Come over on this side. got a finger through here. That's a little tighter right there. So we need to bring it basically from here up. It looks pretty sick. Well, let's do a little bit more. Okay, now that I've destroyed the fender, got the wheel put on, I don't really care too much what it looks like, but all this is bare metal. And then I have, when I bought it, this previous rust spot. So I'm going to sand this up and put some primer on it and worry about it later. I'm not trying to get it perfect, I'm just trying to stop the rust. Later on I'll put some overfenders on or something like that and it'll look better and get it painted. But not too bad, just put a little primer on there. So here we have a comparison of the stock SE, the Z32, and the new 18x9s. These are 235/40s, these are 225/55s. Let's see. These are 225/55s and also 205/55s. And then on the stock wheel, these are 205/55s as well. You see by 2 inches higher, these are 55s and those are 40s, but the rim is 2 inches bigger. Not that big a difference. Alright, so I got the front wheels and tires finally mounted. And to give you an idea, the backs are 275/40/18s. The front are 235/40/18s. And you can see the tire height. The front are Azenis 615Ks and the rear are Federal 595s, and they are much wider. So you see on the 595s, I am a bit wide, so I'm protecting the tire. And on the 15s, I am barely protecting the tire. Let's get these put on. Alright, these are with the 25mm spacer on the wheel, and I think it actually looks pretty good. Need to tighten it down to see if it actually will clear the fender. Let's check it out. I didn't plan on running a spacer, but if these will fit and they're almost perfectly flush, this is well worth it. Looks badass. All right, let's check it out. Man, that is really close. That is really close. don't know if I want it like that. Let's see if it will fit without the spacer. See what it looks like. Okay, after taking the 25 mil spacer off, our fitment looks like this. Just a tad in. I think it looks a little better with the 25 on, and now it's really close, a couple millimeters close to hitting that coil. Alright, we're testing the fitment around the coil over, and it is very close, but there is a space. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna run it with no spacer for now because I don't want to mess with the fender, but that looks nice.